Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Churchill, your friendly librarian, and I'm going to show you how you can check your own personal library account to see if you have any textbooks or library books that you need to return. So go to your Schoology page, and up at the top in the blue bar here, there are 4 dots in a grid. So click on these dots, and you will go to the drop-down menu, click on LAUSD Destiny. I've already got the page for you, but just go ahead and click Destiny. And this is what you will see. Well, you will eventually. There we go. So you click My Info. So you'll see your name here. You click My Info, and you'll get a list of all the library books and textbooks that you have checked out. As you can see, I have a whole lot of library books checked out, and the red date indicates that they were all due. They're all past due. They're all overdue. But don't worry about any fines this spring. We'll worry about those later. This semester, you'll just have to find your library books and your textbooks and bring them back. So these are all my library books. Textbooks are down here. I don't have any textbooks, but you will. So go ahead, check your library page, gather your textbooks, gather your library books, and bring them back in June.